Now let's see the next problem. Prove the identity tan A minus cot A is equal to 1 minus 2 cos square A by sin A cos A. Okay. This is also the same way. Let me consider the left hand side. Tan A minus cot A. Now this I can write it as tan A, you can write it as sin A by cos A. Okay. Now minus, I'm putting the minus sign. Cot A, you can write it as cos A by sin A. Okay. Since tan A is equal to sin A by cos A and cot A is equal to cos A by sin A. Okay, this is the reason you are changing it. Okay. Now this is equal to, now as usual let me take the LCM. So cos A sin A. So here cos A is there, sin A is not there, so I have to multiply the numerator by sin A. So already sin A is there, so it becomes sin square A minus, now sin A is there, cos A is not there, so I have to multiply this by cos A. So cos A into cos A becomes cos square A. Okay. Now let me compare what we have to prove. Now denominator sin A cos A, again the same thing, cos A sin A. Denominator is we have got. Now numerator alone we have to get. So what is the numerator? 1 minus 2 cos square A. So numerator only we have cos A terms. Here sin A is there. So I have to change the sin A to cos A so that I'll be able to prove the numerator. I have to think how to do that. You know the relation sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. You know this. Now sin square A, let me keep the sin square A. This is equal to, let me take this cos square A to the other side. So it is 1 minus cos square A. Okay. Now let me substitute sin square A as 1 minus cos square A. And sin square A is 1 minus cos square A. Again minus sign is there, and cos square A is there. By cos A sin A. Okay. Now you see 1 minus cos square A minus cos square A. So it is 2 cos square A. So minus 2 cos square A by cos A sin A. So tan A minus cot A is equal to 1 minus 2 cos square A by cos A sin A. Is the thing they are asking us to prove, so we have proved it. So here in this problem you have cos square A, so you are changing the sin square A in terms of cos square. Suppose in your question if they have sin square A alone, you have to change this cos square A into sin square A, the same formula, this formula. Cos square A is equal to 1 minus sin square A. Like this you have to change it here and then proceed. Okay. Now let's see the next problem. Prove the identity secant A minus 1 by secant A plus 1 is equal to 1 minus cos A by 1 plus cos A. So similarly here also I am going to take the left hand side. I am going to use the relations and then I am going to prove it is equal to the right hand side. It's a very simple problem. Let me consider the left hand side. Left hand side which is equal to secant A minus 1 by secant A plus 1. So this is equal to, I am going to have taken the left hand side, I am going to use the relations. So secant A, so right hand side you can see there is cos. So there is a relationship between secant and cos. You know secant is nothing but the reciprocal of cos. So let me write secant A as 1 by cos A, very simple, minus 1 as it is written, the whole thing divided by, again secant A is there, again I am writing it as 1 by cos A, your plus sign is there, plus 1. Okay. Now this is equal to, you can write since secant A is equal to 1 by cos. So each and every time you can write the reason why you are changing it. So now this is equal to, now let me take LCM on the numerator. So cos A is the LCM 1 minus, as here the denominator is 1, I have to multiply the numerator by cos A. So it is cos A. The whole thing divided by this division. The whole thing divided by, again this part you consider. Again for this part I am taking cos A is the LCM. Here 1 plus, I have to multiply this 1 by cos A. So it is cos A. Okay. Now this is the whole thing divided by. Now you are getting 1 minus cos A by cos A. The whole thing divided by 1 plus cos A by cos A. You know that when this comes to the numerator, it becomes reciprocal and you have to put a multiplication sign. So 1 minus cos A by cos A into, I'm going to take this to the numerator, so I have to write it in the reciprocal way. So cos A by 1 plus cos A. Now I can cancel this cos A and this cos A. So this is equal to 1 minus cos A by 1 plus cos A. 1 minus cos A by 1 plus cos A. So what you have proved? Secant A minus 1 by secant A plus 1 is equal to 1 minus cos A by 1 plus cos A. They are asking us to prove. We have proved it. Hence proved. Okay. Now let's see the next problem. Prove the identity sin power 4A minus cos power 4A is equal to 2 sin square A minus 1. Let me consider the left hand side and prove the right hand side. Sin power 4A minus cos power 4A. Now let me write this as sin square A the whole square. Sin power 4, I am writing it as sin square the whole power 2 minus, again same way for cos also, cos square A the whole square. Okay. Now you can see this is nothing but A square minus B square. So A is your sin square A. This is nothing but A square minus B square. A is sin square, B is cos square. A square minus B square. What is the formula for A square minus B square? It is equal to A plus B into A minus B. You know this formula, so I am going to use this formula here. So this is equal to sin square to the whole square. This is sin A plus B. So sin square A plus B. B is nothing but cos square. So cos square A. A plus B into A minus B. A is sin square A. Sin square A minus B is cos square. So cos square A. So A plus B into A minus B. Now you know that sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. This you know. So I am going to use it here. So this is equal to 1. So 1 into sin square A minus cos square A. Now they have asked us to prove, only you can see sin terms are there. So cos I have to change it into sin. So again the same formula, sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. So I have to change it into sin. So cos, let me change it into sin. Cos square A is equal to 1 minus sin square A. So sin square A, 1 into this is same 1. So I am not writing 1 here. Sin square A minus cos square A, I am going to change it as 1 minus, let me open a bracket, 1 minus sin square A. So this is equal to sin square A minus, let me multiply inside the bracket. So minus into plus is minus 1. Minus into minus is plus, plus sin square. So this is equal to sin square A is here 1 sin square A is there. So 2 times sin square A minus 1. Have proved it. Therefore sin power 4A minus cos power 4A is equal to 2 sin square A minus 1. Hence proved.